Okay, so there's a washer that's not filling up with water, Kenmore Elite. I already did a little video how to fix it, but I'm gonna take it a little step further, how to take it apart. So pull on this guy, the screws here. You can also do it from the bottom, but this way you get a better access. And this one is not filling up with water. It starts agitating, spinning right away, never fills up with water. And I was suspecting the pressure switch, and I'll go over how to test it. And one thing I wanted to mention, if you have the drum full of water, make sure you empty it out before you plug the hose in, otherwise it'll throw it off and it will overflow. Okay, so we have a older Kenmore washer that is not filling up with water. I took this box apart and gave it 110 to the cables on water valve, and water valve worked fine. Blew through the pressure hose, it wasn't clogged. So how do we touch the pressure switch? Here we go, right here. Violet and tan means full. Oh, sorry, yeah, V and T is full, V and P empty. Violet and pink empty. Basically, yeah, I took the pressure switch off. I don't know if I can do one hand. There you go. Basically, you blow in this hole and see if you're getting a continuity. Let's take the knob off first. And between tan and violet, you're getting continuity, and when you blow it, when it's full, you should be getting continuity between tan and pink. And I was always continuity between the outside ones, so I knew it's bad. So yep, got a new pressure switch. The model number on this one located right here. Lift the lid up, stick your phone underneath, look up pressure switch, and there's a part number on it too. So yep, that's how you fix the washer that's not filling up with water. Thanks for watching, guys.